So welcome back to the Saxy Rod Shop channel, or the Rod Shop channel with Saxy Rod Shop. What we're gonna start you with this week is customer was in this past week. We just worked on some pencil sketches of some headliner designs that he came up or he agreed on, and so we're working on a test piece. We got Tommy here working on a test piece that we're going to hold it up in place, kind of give you an idea of what we're doing, and then we'll show you how we're going to accomplish the lighting effect, and then we'll bring you along with the journey of us manufacturing all the pieces here in-house and fitting them in the car, and follow along with us doing the upholstery and everything on that as we go. This is just a rough pencil sketch, and we're just going to do 2 inserts. The pleated inserts will be perforated leather, but they're also going to be recessed, and we're going to have LED lighting surrounding each insert, kind of like a halo light, but the lenses will be hidden this time. We have this preliminary practice piece that we've machined out of some expanded PVC. We have an LED light kind of in here to see how it's going to work for us. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it in here, but you can see the design that we actually already have drawn off to give us a visual of where everything's going to go. And then these 2 pieces, I haven't decided if it's going to be 2 individual pieces with a seam in the center and then a machined chrome piece to cover that seam, or if it's going to be 1 piece. But this is going to go in the headliner and line up like so, and then our LED lighting will shine through this cavity right here and just be a halo light. This piece will actually be bolted in place, and the leather will come from here and roll around and go out to our perimeter of our headliner. So we'll go over to the table and I'll put a little battery up to this, and we'll show you how the effect that it's going to give us. So if you can think of this being the headliner, this being the perimeter, this will all be upside down to give you an effect of how this is going to work. So it'll be something similar to that. We'll have just a soft, subtle halo lighting all the way around the opening of the inserts on both sides. So that's the effect that we're after. This is just our temporary mock-up piece. We'll get the materials all ordered, get it in this week, and we'll get Tommy cutting this stuff out. We'll videotape him fitting it, putting all the nutserts in the headliner, pre-drilling all this, and then making our Lexan ring. What we're going to do is actually probably use a piece of clear acrylic that we will machine as a 1 piece for a lens, and then that LED lighting will shine through on the back side. So as we showed you earlier, our little mock-up pattern that we did to make sure the lights are going to do what we want them to do, which they will. So now we're in the process of doing the first section of the headliner, which, as you can see, we have it drawn out here, and we're going to try to do this all in 1 piece, the surrounding part, the depth of the headliner. So we're getting ready to router out the first section here, and then as you can see on this one, we'll come in and cut this one out, move all the templates over, or the fixture over to this side, and router that out. And this will be the beginning of the base to the headliner. So this is our overhead panel for the headliner on the 39. And this will be a perimeter piece. It's not going to be an actual square when it's in the car. The material will go on the back side, roll around to the perimeter edge of the car, and we're going to do accent lighting. And what we've done on the back side here is we've given ourselves a channel. LED lighting will go on this edge here, and when it's all said and done, it'll shine out from under this out here. And it'll be all the way around on both sides. And then we're going to do a pleated section in here. So this will be plain leather, and this will all be perforated leather pleats, and it'll be either hard wrapped or we'll do some 1/8 inch foam. And you can see up here we have the design kind of drawn off with the pleats on it, how it's going to go. And that's kind of where we are at the moment. Update to the 39. Customers finally decided to actually stick with the stock door panel design, so we're touching up some of the stuff after we strip the padding off of them, because we're going to be going to a whole new material and a little bit of shape and some other design. So we've stripped them down. We'll Tommy's actually getting them ready to do a final fit and shape on them. We've got that done. Here in the back seat area, we've got it stripped of the original stuff. Now the customer wants us to give it more of a stock original feel, so we'll be shortening the base a little bit and adding some more foam to give it a more rounded face on it, like an old 39 seat will. And the back will change that shape up a little bit. We also got the fiberglass panels in the corner made, and that's where we're going to bring the top part of the headliner down to give us a straight line on that. And then as we showed you earlier, we've got the fiberglass or the plastic piece that goes in here. So we'll be getting the material in before too long, and then we will be start covering some stuff here before long. So what we're actually doing at the moment is we're refoaming the back cushion for the 39 sedan. Customer was wanting for the homemade seat that we made 30 years ago to have a little more original 39 flair to it, a little more rounded, more fluffy. So we're getting, and it was pretty stiff. It was just high density foam on a solid board. So what we've done this time is, you can see here, We've actually put some webbing in here so that the foam will have some give structurally. We cut the hole out, stapled in some 2-inch seatbelt webbing, and then we're going to give it a little bit more thickness with some 1-inch foam. We've gone to a softer foam, so now we're going to go to a little bit of a high density foam, 1-inch on top, and then we've contoured the face here, and we're going to, by the time the new foam rolls over, that'll give us that old school look that we're going to do right there. So we're in the process, Tommy's in the process of getting that done, and then we're getting ready to order the leather for it probably this next week. We'll get that done, and then start laying out a new design on the seats. I think we're going to change the actual design to something to go with the new seats. So that's kind of where we are on the 39 at the moment. And what else we got going on that car? That we got the armrest done, door panels are ready, pretty much ready to recover. So we'll probably start on that next week also. Start adding our foam to the door panels, the quarter panels, and then we'll do start making a pattern for the headliner, because it's going to have some stitching in it. So that's where we are on the 39 at the moment. And thank you for watching our channel, subscribing, and following us and supporting us. And it's the Labor Day weekend, so if you're out and about, please be safe. Have a good weekend. Thank you.